Hey guys, achieving a prosperous and worry-free retirement begins with the initial stride of enhancing your financial assets through investments and savings. The pivotal foundation sets the stage for financial security in your later years. Following this, the second phase unfolds on the inaugural day of your retirement, marked by the critical task of shaping your expenditure choices. These choices bear the power to dictate the longevity of the funds you have saved. By strategically allocating your resources, you can ensure that your retirement nest egg is adequately distributed across various avenues, enabling you to navigate the years ahead with peace of mind. As your priorities shift from accumulation to preservation, embracing a frugal yet fulfilling lifestyle becomes paramount. But before this video, guys, please like this video and subscribe to my channel as it keeps me motivated to create these videos for you guys. Now, here are 7 things smart retirees do to never work again. The first one is keep investing in stocks. As you approach retirement, a prudent financial strategy involves gradually reducing the proportion of stocks within your investment portfolio. This deliberate adjustment aims to mitigate risk, acknowledging that the time horizon to recover from potential losses is now shorter compared to your working years characterized by a longer investment horizon. While bonds are recognized for their lower risk profile, it's essential to acknowledge that they typically yield lower returns. Balancing this trade-off, it's advisable to maintain a certain level of exposure to stocks even after your transition from the workforce. This calculated approach ensures that a portion of your retirement assets remains poised for growth, capitalizing on potential market upswings while safeguarding against excessive volatility. By striking a balance between stocks and bonds, you conduct a portfolio that embraces both security and growth potential. This blended strategy provides a financial safety net, enabling you to navigate the uncertainties of retirement with confidence. Remember, the goal is not only to preserve your wealth, but also to position it for potential growth. The second one is follow the 4% withdrawal rule. Feeling concerned about the precise amount to withdraw from your savings in the year of your retirement, just follow the 4% rule, a financial principle designed to provide guidance to retirees. This rule recommends that in the initial year of retirement, you should withdraw a maximum of 4% from your savings. In the subsequent years, it's advised to adapt the withdrawal amount to accommodate for inflation while still adhering to the 4% limit. This methodology ensures a balanced approach to managing your savings throughout your retirement journey. This principle suggests that following 4% withdrawal rate can potentially extend the lifespan of your savings for a period exceeding 30 years. By following this rule, you strike a balance between enjoying your retirement years and maintaining a sustainable financial future. The third one is separate your wants from your needs. Having a consistent inflow of earnings often leads to a more lenient outlook on spending, especially on desires that aren't essential. The thought process often leans on the idea that additional work can compensate for the expenses incurred. However, as you do not earn any income in retirement, you need to make the shift in your spending mindset. The distinction between your wants and practical necessities becomes pivotal. This differentiation holds the key to ensuring the longevity of your savings over a span of decades rather than merely a few years. While in the past the prospect of earning extra income to offset discretionary expenditures might have seemed feasible, everything changes in retirement. With a fixed income, the importance of cultivating a discerning mindset towards spending takes significant importance. This involves a meticulous assessment of whether a purchase aligns with essential needs or represents a non-essential want. Another one is know when it's worth to spend money. Consider the reality of home upkeep, where allocating resources to address minor concerns before they escalate into significant troubles emerges as a wise investment strategy. This principle holds true even during retirement when financial prudence becomes paramount. While the concept of proactive maintenance is undoubtedly financially advantageous, it's crucial to acknowledge that these endeavors can incur incur substantial costs. Thus, a well-structured budget that accommodates these foreseen expenses becomes a vital component of your financial plan. Similar rationale applies to vehicle maintenance and repair. By addressing small issues before they magnify, you insulate yourself from exorbitant repair bills down the road. Another one is delay Social Security benefits. Modern-day retirees have the option of starting their Social Security benefits at the age of 62. Yet a more strategic approach emerges when benefits are postponed until the age of 70, yielding a substantially increased payment compared to the sum attainable 8 years earlier. The rationale behind this delayed benefit accrual lies in its profound advantages. Given that medical expenditures tend to increase with advancing age, deferring benefits could be a very good financial choice. By getting a higher payments into your checking account during the later phases of retirement, you are better equipped to address escalating medical costs, enhancing financial security during these potentially challenging years. Moreover, by refraining from tapping into Social Security earnings in your 60s, you create a protective buffer that can accommodate other increased financial demands in your 70s and beyond. Another one is pay off high interest debt. Although it might not be an absolute requirement to completely eliminate all your debts before entering retirement, it's imperative to prioritize the elimination of higher interest credit card debt at the earliest opportunity. The persistent presence of debt over time gives rise to a compounding interest effect, causing the accumulated interest to surge and subsequently increase the amount paid compared to the initial expense. Especially before the retirement, addressing a high interest credit card debt emerges as a paramount objective. The reason for this urgency extends across two critical phases. Firstly, during the pre-retirement period, the lingering debt drains away potential savings. The acquired interest prevents you from funneling resources into your savings. Secondly, in the post-retirement stage, the consequences become more pronounced. As interest continues to amass, it erodes a larger portion of your savings, jeopardizing the financial cushion you have worked so diligently to create. And another one is don't fund children's lives. Declining financial assistance to your adult children can indeed pose a challenge, irrespective of their age. Nonetheless, your current situation of being reliant on a fixed income necessitates the establishment of financial limits with your children. The prospect of rejoining the workforce due to depleted savings is a scenario you undoubtedly wish to avoid. This compels the need to assert clear-cut financial boundaries with your grown children, even as hard as it may be. To navigate this sensitive ground, open dialogue is essential. Consider engaging in discussions with your children about your retirement plan, encompassing not only your financial arrangements but also your strategies for long-term care. This fosters a unified comprehension within the family regarding your financial expectations during retirement. While the desire to support your children's financial needs is understandable, safeguarding your own financial well-being is equally important. By fostering open conversations and setting realistic expectations, you ensure that your children understand your stance while also securing your financial future. Well, I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Guys, are you financially ready for retirement yet? Leave your comments down below. So guys, if you like this video, please press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel as it keeps me motivated to create these videos for you guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.